I'm Shrihit and I'm back today. So today we are gonna be making Maggi. The ingredients we need for making Maggi is Maggi and water. And you even need a pan. First keep the pan on the stove. Then take the water and pour it. Next, on the gas. Keep it on medium flame. Then we'll add the Maggi. Now that the water is boiled, let's add the Maggi. Now you have to take the masala and cut it. Now the Maggi has to boil for 2 minutes. Now that the Maggi is boiled for 2 minutes, let's change it into another bowl. Now the Maggi is ready. Now you can enjoy. Like the video and subscribe and share.